Open your browser and go to canva.com. Don't have an account yet? Create one for free. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click Create a Design in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Instagram Reels. Click on it, and Canva will automatically open the correct canvas size for you. Now click Add at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Uploads tab to add your own photos, or browse Canva's built-in library and pick something that looks great. Choose around 5 images and drag each one onto a page. Try to pick photos with a similar color palette. It keeps your reel looking neat and professional. Now click between any 2 pages. A small button will appear. Click Add Transition. Pick a style that fits your vibe. Color Wipe is a great choice. It makes your scenes flow into each other smoothly. Adjust the speed to make it faster or slower depending on your style. Once you're happy, hit Apply to All. This gives every scene the same clean transition throughout your reel. All done. Click Share, then choose the quality and press Download and save your reel. Upload it directly to Instagram and you're ready to go. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.